Hi children. Okay, next we move on to the topic addition. Single digit addition by using this 100 beats abacus. Okay, let me start. Okay, first I have to write the number. Okay, 2. Okay, plus 2. Okay, 2 plus 2. So, how do you move? First you have to move the 2 beats. Okay, and plus. So, adding your number. So, next move the 2 beats. So, answer, you have to count the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, answer is 4. Okay children, okay, come back to the 0 position. Okay, this is a 0 position. Okay, and next number, I have to write down the question. 3, okay, plus 4. Okay, show your beat. First 3, move 3 beats. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, plus 4. So by moving 4 beats again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count the total number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer is 7. Okay. Come back to the 0 position and next move on to the next sum. Okay. Write the question. That is 5 plus 2. So, first you have to move the beats 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what's the next number? 2. So, move 2 beats. 1, 2. Count the total numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, answer is again 7. Okay. So, come back to the 0 level position. Okay. And let me move on to the next sum. What is? That is 6 plus 3. Okay children. Let me move the beat. First you have to move the 6 beats. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Plus 3. So, again count 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, you count this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer is 9. Okay. And one more thing. Remember children, for single digit addition, you have to move the beats only on ones rod. This is the ones place rod. Okay. Next one is the tens place rod. So you have to, for single digit addition, move the beats only on ones place. Okay. Come back to the 0 position. Again, write down the question. That is 3 plus 3. So, move the number. First, you have to move the beats. 3 beats. So, 1, 2 and 3. And next number is again 3. So, 1, 2, 3. So, count the total number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, answer is 6. Okay. And listen children. Next number, that is 6 plus 4. Okay. And again 8 plus 2. 2 sums. Okay. First move the 6 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay children. What's the next number? 4. So move the 4 beats here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 6 plus 4. Listen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 beads. Okay, 10 1 beads are equal to our 1 10 beads. So, move 1 10 beads and back the 10 1 beads. So, answer is 10. 1, 0, 10. Okay, come back to the 0 level. Okay, again do this sum. Okay, move forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next number is 2. 1, 2. Okay, count the total number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 10 1 beads are equal to our 1 10 bead. Okay, so move this 1 10 bead and take back the 10 1 bead. So now the answer is 1, 0. Answer is 10. Okay, so this is a simple single digit addition. Okay children, I hope you understand and practice it with single digit number using your abacus kit and learn more simple addition by simple and logic playful method of addition. So I hope you enjoy this and try it. Thank you.